tips of your dimples. I find myself wanting to be stirred into a tenderness, like on a distant wind-swept evening. I see nothing but you, with all the hues the heavens have spilled across the sky. I wonder, do others know this truth? When I listen deeply to the sound of your voice, I feel as though I'm aboard a space shuttle on a picnic to another planet. Darkness surrounds me. I see nothing but you, with all the